Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to download and install Python on your computer. So the first thing you have to do to open up your browser, then type python.org. On this page you will see downloads, click on that. After that you will see the latest version for Windows of Python. Download the Python file. As I downloaded it earlier, I will not download it again. Let's check out the downloads. Here you can see Python 3.7.4, the exe file. Double click on that. Now click on install now. Give the permission. It will take some time to install. Now we will have to install a code editor. We use a code editor to write our code, just like how we used Microsoft Word to write documents. There are so many code editors out there. We will use pycharm. We can find pycharm on jetbrains.com. Let's check out. Open a new tab and type jetbrain.com pycharm. Don't worry about the links, I will give them in the description box. Check out there. On this page you will see downloads. Click on that. On the download page you will see two versions of pycharm. One is professional and the other is community. You have to pay for the professional version and the community version is absolutely free, and this is gonna be you use in this video. Let's download the community version. As I also download this file, I will not download this again. Let's check. Here you can see the Python file is successfully installed. Let's close this. Here you can see the pycharm community version is here. Double click on that. As it is a big file, it will take some time. Give the permission. Click next, next, next and install. It will take some time. I will skip the video. After installing the file, you will click on finish, and then here you can search JetBrain. Double click on that. It will take some time. Be patient. Okay, here it is opening. Keep remaining and set defaults. Okay, the pycharm is open now. Create new project. Click on that. Now type your project name. Hello world. Click create. Okay, close this. Here in hello world, press right button of your mouse, then new, and then Python file. Name your file name. Make sure that you type the extension .py. Press enter. So here the Python file is open. Now we will write a program to ensure that the pycharm is work perfectly. Let's make a program. We type hello world. Now run it. We can see hello world is printed, so the pycharm is work perfectly. So thank you guys. If you like the video, press the subscribe button and don't forget to like and comments. Thank you. Bye bye.